Welcome to my channel Dudhi Cuisine. In this video I'll be showing you how to make Dudhi Mutiya. In a large bowl, add the Bajra flour, the wheat flour, the Soji and the Chana flour and mix them together. Add the oil and mix this into the flour. Now add in the grated vegetables. Also add in the coriander, chilli and ginger. Mix this all into the flour. Now add in the salt to taste, turmeric, Garam Masala, Cumin Seeds, sugar and mix this all in. Now add in the lemon juice and mix this in. In a steam vessel, boil some water. Lightly oil a perforated tray and place this in the steam vessel. Now add eno, fruit salt, into the mix and mix this in. Now roll out the muthia and place these in your steam tray. Now place the lid and cook on a high heat for about 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes, remove the muthia from the steam vessel and let these cool down. Once cool, you can cut into small pieces. For the tadka, in a large pan, heat some oil, add in the dried red chillies, the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds have popped, then add the Hing, Asafoetida. Also add in the curry leaves and the sesame seeds. Give this a mix. Now reduce the heat to a low flame and add in the muthia and give this a mix with the tadka. Cook this on a low flame for about 5 minutes. Now sprinkle on some desiccated coconut and garnish with coriander. Sprinkle some water onto the muthia, this will keep them moist. Your Dudhi Mutiya are ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.